Welcome back to Nuance Art, where we explore inspiring home design and interior ideas that blend beauty with function. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of the old Spanish stone house design concept and uncovering the hidden logic behind those iconic thick stone walls. These historic homes are more than just visually stunning. They are masterpieces of practical architecture shaped by climate, culture, and craftsmanship. As we walk through this design philosophy, you'll discover how every detail serves a purpose, from thermal comfort to timeless aesthetics. If you enjoy content about smart home design and architectural inspiration, make sure to subscribe to Nuance Art, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support helps us continue creating high-quality design content. Now let's step inside the story of these remarkable stone houses and explore why their design continues to inspire modern architecture today. Spanish stone houses trace their origins to centuries-old building traditions shaped by geography and available materials. In many regions of Spain, stone was abundant, durable, and ideal for constructing homes that could withstand harsh weather and the passage of time. Builders relied on local craftsmanship, passing down techniques from generation to generation, resulting in homes that were both functional and culturally expressive. Thick stone walls became a defining feature because they provided structural strength and long-term stability. These homes were often built to last for hundreds of years, reflecting a philosophy of permanence and resilience. Beyond practicality, the architecture also conveyed social identity and regional character, with subtle variations in stonework and layout depending on the area. Understanding this historical context helps us appreciate that these houses were not accidental designs, but carefully considered responses to environmental and social needs. Their enduring presence today stands as a testament to the intelligence and artistry of traditional Spanish architecture. One of the hidden logics behind thick stone walls lies in their exceptional ability to regulate indoor temperature. Old Spanish stone houses were designed long before modern heating and cooling systems existed, so architects relied on passive climate control. Thick stone walls act as natural insulation, absorbing heat during the day and slowly releasing it at night. This thermal mass keeps interiors cool during hot summers and relatively warm during colder seasons. In regions with intense sunlight, this feature was essential for comfort and energy efficiency. The walls essentially function as a natural climate buffer, reducing temperature fluctuations and creating a stable indoor environment. Small windows and shaded courtyards further enhance this cooling effect. This intelligent use of materials demonstrates how traditional architecture can align harmoniously with nature. Today, as modern designers seek sustainable solutions, the principles behind these stone houses offer valuable lessons in eco-friendly building and energy conservation. Another critical reason for the thickness of stone walls is structural integrity. Old Spanish stone houses were engineered to endure natural forces such as wind, earthquakes, and heavy loads. Thick walls distribute weight evenly and provide exceptional resistance to external pressures. This robustness allowed builders to create multi-story homes and expansive interiors without compromising safety. The interlocking stone construction also minimized the need for frequent repairs, making these homes remarkably low maintenance over time. Many of these structures still stand today, centuries after their construction, proving the effectiveness of their design. The emphasis on durability reflects a mindset focused on long-term value rather than short-term convenience. Modern architects often admire these traditional methods for their sustainability and resilience. By studying the engineering principles behind thick stone walls, we gain insight into how thoughtful construction can create buildings that serve generations while maintaining their aesthetic appeal. Beyond their functional advantages, thick stone walls contribute significantly to the visual charm of Old Spanish houses. The texture, color, and natural variation of stone create a warm, earthy aesthetic that blends seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. These walls give homes a sense of solidity and authenticity that modern materials often struggle to replicate. The interplay of light and shadow on uneven stone surfaces adds depth and character, enhancing the overall architectural experience. Interiors benefit as well, with deep window recesses and thick door frames creating dramatic visual accents. This aesthetic quality has inspired countless contemporary designers who seek to capture the rustic elegance of Spanish architecture. The enduring popularity of this style demonstrates how functional design can also be profoundly beautiful. By integrating natural materials and thoughtful craftsmanship, Old Spanish stone houses achieve a timeless appeal that continues to influence modern home design trends. Inside an Old Spanish stone house, the thickness of the walls shapes a unique spatial experience. Deep-set windows create cozy alcoves that invite relaxation, while thick walls reduce external noise, producing a calm and peaceful interior atmosphere. The sense of enclosure fosters comfort and security, making the home feel like a protective sanctuary. These architectural features also allow for creative interior design opportunities, such as built-in shelving, seating niches, and decorative stone accents. Natural light filters gently through smaller openings, creating soft illumination that enhances textures and colors within the space. This careful balance between openness and intimacy contributes to the distinctive ambience of Spanish interiors. Modern homeowners often seek to recreate this feeling by incorporating stone elements and textured materials into their designs. The spatial logic behind thick stone walls demonstrates how architecture can influence emotional well-being and daily living experiences. Spanish stone houses are deeply connected to cultural identity and traditional ways of living. Their design reflects communal values, family structures, and regional customs. Courtyards, terraces, and shared living spaces encourage social interaction and connection with nature. Thick walls provide privacy while still allowing homes to open toward communal outdoor areas. These architectural choices support a lifestyle centered on hospitality, relaxation, and harmony with the environment. Decorative elements such as wooden beams, wrought iron details, and handcrafted tiles complement the stone structure, creating a rich cultural tapestry. Understanding this cultural dimension helps us see these houses as more than physical shelters. They are expressions of heritage and tradition. For contemporary designers, incorporating elements inspired by Spanish stone architecture can add depth and storytelling to modern homes, bridging the gap between past and present. In today's world, sustainability is a major focus in architecture, and old Spanish stone houses offer valuable insights. Their reliance on local materials reduces environmental impact, while passive temperature regulation minimizes energy consumption. Thick stone walls exemplify how traditional design can achieve efficiency without advanced technology. Modern architects are increasingly revisiting these principles to create eco-friendly buildings that prioritize longevity and resource conservation. By combining traditional stone techniques with contemporary innovations, designers can develop homes that are both sustainable and stylish. The revival of interest in natural materials and passive design strategies highlights the continued relevance of Spanish stone architecture. These historic concepts remind us that sustainable living is not a new invention, but a rediscovery of time-tested wisdom embedded in traditional building practices. The design logic of old Spanish stone houses continues to inspire modern home design in creative ways. Architects adapt the concept of thick walls using advanced materials that replicate thermal mass and texture. Open floor plans are blended with rustic elements to create spaces that feel both contemporary and timeless. Stone veneers, textured finishes, and earthy color palettes echo the warmth of traditional Spanish homes. Designers also reinterpret courtyards and transitional spaces to enhance indoor-outdoor living. This fusion of old and new demonstrates how historical architecture can inform innovative solutions. Homeowners seeking character and authenticity often turn to Spanish-inspired designs to achieve a distinctive aesthetic. By studying the hidden logic behind thick stone walls, modern creators gain a deeper understanding of how to balance beauty, comfort, and performance in today's living spaces. As we've discovered, the old Spanish stone house design concept is a brilliant fusion of practicality, beauty, and cultural meaning. The hidden logic behind thick stone walls goes far beyond appearance. It represents centuries of architectural wisdom, focused on climate adaptation, durability, comfort, and sustainability. These homes teach us that great design is rooted in understanding both environment and human needs. Their timeless appeal continues to shape modern architecture, proving that traditional ideas can remain relevant in a rapidly changing world. We hope this exploration has inspired you to see architecture through a new lens and sparked ideas for your own home design journey. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Spanish stone architecture, don't forget to subscribe to Nuance Art, like this video, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts or suggestions for future topics. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next design inspiration video.